Guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a Colaba and a Goa haul. But before I get started with that, I'm going to be showing you guys around Colaba. Now, Colaba Causeway is a street in Mumbai which basically deals with clothes, shoes, bags, accessories, and all of that. Now, it's less complicated than Sarojini and it's a little bit pricier than Sarojini. And you can basically go to fixed price shops and you can also go to street vendors. And it's a paradise for everyone who loves shoes and junk jewelry and especially bohemian clothing. So if you love fashion, if you love bohemian stuff, you ought to come here. Even though it's not as cheap as Sarojini, it is really nice for everyone who loves fashion.
Guys, what is up? It's Arushi and today I'm back with a video, and today's video is a Colaba and a Goa haul video. And I really want to shop a lot, but I did not have the time, so I couldn't. But I did pick up like 10 things, and I'm really happy with the 10 things that I bought. So without any further ado, let's just get started. Before I start off with the main Colaba haul, I'm going to be showing you 2 makeup things and 2 skincare things that I bought. I bought this from a local makeup store in Ahmedabad, so like not from Colaba. But 2 of them are skincare and 2 of them are makeup. So the first thing, both of them are from Neutrogena, by the way. The first thing is the Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Cleanser, and it's a makeup remover and a cleanser 2-in-1. So I bought this. And the next thing that I bought is a Neutrogena Deep Clean Blackhead Eliminating Toner. Now you don't really get this in India, so as soon as I saw it, I picked it up. And the prices will be in the description box below, so you can check that out. The next thing that I bought is a mascara, and this one is by Colaba. So it's the Colaba Lash Illusion Mascara Duo. It has a lengthening side and a voluminizing side, and it's amazing, so I bought that. And then I also got lipstick. This one is by Revlon, and it is in the shade 036 Just Me, and it's a matte lip color, the one that I'm wearing right now. It's a beautiful maroonish brown color, and it's perfect for winters, so I bought that. And if you guys want a review on the lipstick or the mascara or even the skincare things, you can tell me in the comments below and I'll do one. Alright, so the first thing that I bought from Colaba is this necklace, and this one is a double layered necklace with quartz stones as pendants.
So I bought this neck piece for 150 bucks and this was all over Instagram, but I could not find it anywhere and I finally got my hands on these.
The next thing that I bought is a velvet choker. Now this is all over Instagram and Tumblr, and I really wanted to get my hands on these, and I got this for 40 bucks. So that was amazing, and this is like a normal velvet band choker. The next thing is one of my favorite things. It's a pair of jhumkas. Now I recently discovered my love for jhumkas, and so I got another pair.
And this is how my jhumkas look. They are normal silver jhumkas along with the black bead detailing at the bottom.
And I totally love it, and you guys have been really asking me where I get my jhumkas from. You can get them from Colaba or you can get them from Sarojini, and if neither of the two, you can actually get a lot of really nice and cheap jhumkas on Amazon.in, so you can check that out as well. So those are all the accessories that I bought from Colaba, and now let's move on to the clothing. Starting off with the clothing, I not really have a lot of time, so I could not pick up a lot of things, but I picked up a few things and I am totally in love with those. So the first thing that I bought is actually from Forever 21, and it is really pretty. It's this top, and I'm actually really obsessed with white, you can see that. So I bought another top, and this one is actually really loose for me, but it's very pretty, so I picked it up. This one is, this is how it looks, and it's full sleeves. And it has really nice sleeves, like balloonish, and I love how this top looks. The next thing that I bought is an off-shoulder top. So this is how it looks, and it has like this indie print and this border on the bottom, and it's an off-shoulder top, so you can wear it as a normal top or as an off-shoulder top. It's really stretchy, and this is actually my size, but I bought the next top also like a larger size to me. And you don't really get a lot of off-shoulder tops in Ahmedabad, so I had to go to Mumbai and get my hands on these. So I bought this top. The next thing that I bought is this top. It is so pretty, oh my god. This one is really huge in me, and like this is my mom's size, but I bought it anyway. This was very pretty, so I could not ignore it. So this is how it looks. It's again like an off-shoulder top. You can wear it as an off-shoulder top or like a normal top, and yeah, this is how it looks. It has this elastic on the bottom, so it looks like a balloon sort of a top, but it's very pretty, and it has full sleeves with this deep pink detailing, and I love pink and white, so I got my hands on this as well. Alright, now the next thing that I bought from Colaba is a dress. This is how it looks. It's a really strappy, flowy, beachy dress, and it is really really strappy, so you kind of need to like tie the straps here to make your sleeve, and then it's very flowy, so that's how it goes. And it has a really colorful border, a very simple but very colorful border on the bottom, so that's how it looks. It's a perfect beach dress because it's very flowy, and you can use it as a cover on your swimming suit, or you can just wear it as like a normal dress because it's really bohemian, very flowy, very pretty and very simple. So that's what I bought. The next thing that I bought is this tank top. So I got like another tank top too, but it's gone for the wash, so I can't really show it, but it's the same tank top but in the shade of light purple, like lavender, so you can guess. So this is how it looks. This goes really amazing with like pajamas and like harem pants. And yeah, so I got this. Now moving on to the clothing that I bought from Goa. They're basically just hippie bohemian pajamas because that's basically all you get in Goa. So you just get oxidized silver jewelry and like hippie pajamas, and that's about it. So I bought all of that. Now there are a lot of pajamas that I have. So the first three that I have came in a combination. So the first pajama is this black colored thing. It's again like something that you can wear with kurtis or just with like tops and stuff. So I bought this. This one is black. The next thing that I bought is the white thing. So it's like this off-white harem pant pajama. The material is the same material. It's like a khadi cotton kind of a material. And this is how that looks. It's connected from the bottom. So it's like harem pant pajamas. And this one it says it's 100% cotton made in Nepal. So we'll go with that. And the next pajama is this greyish pajama. All of them like are the similar style. So the black and the grey one are the similar side, and then the white is like a harem pant. So this is the next pajama. It has pockets, really huge ones. Like
now, Goa flea markets are very different than those in Delhi or Mumbai. Now, these are basically owned by the locals, and they have a lot of local things. So you can get oxidized jewelry, handmade boxes, compasses, and all of that. In clothing, you will get a lot of pajamas and a lot of kurtis and a lot of neon printed tank tops and shorts and all of that, a lot of wrap-alons, and I'm going to be making a separate video on shopping in Goa, so stay tuned for that.
the next thing is again like pajamas, and one is a short kurti. Now this one is a short kurti. It's navy blue with red and white and blue strips on it, and it has wooden beads, wooden buttons here, and it says 100% cotton made in Nepal. And this is how it looks. Normal short kurti, and that is about it. The next thing that I bought is again like harem pants. So this one is dark purple with blue, red and white detailing on it, and then it has this joint detailing again. So this is the next thing. Now warning, the next things are also going to be pajamas. So now the next thing that I bought is this one. So this one is a floral print pajama, and this one is like a churidar, so this will go really well with long kurtis or short kurtis or just denim jackets because this has really cute indie pattern on it, so I bought this. The next thing is similar to the purple one, so this one is in the shade of green and red, brown, red, whatever, and this is how that looks. Again, a harem pant pajama with long things and the elastic on the bottom. That is the next thing that I bought. Again, a similar pajama but in a different shade. So this one is blue, red and green, and this is how that looks. Again, a harem pant pajama, and this is basically all you get in Goa. So, and the next thing is actually a very bright thing. I'm a little apprehensive about this, but then it looks cute anyway. So this one is a really really hippie thing. It's very colorful with pockets on the side, and this is how that looks. It's a normal harem pant pajama and has elastic on the top and bottom. So this is how that looks.
Now I also got some accessories from Goa. Now I love layering things in my hands, like bracelets in my hands. So I got this brown wooden bead bracelet from Goa, and this was just for $100, and along with that I got an oxidized silver bracelet also, which is kind of loose and was for $100 as well. Now I love oxidized silver jewelry and I adore anklets, so I got this one. This one is like a pile, but I use it as an anklet, and I got this for $100 as well. This is a Revlon lipstick that I bought, and this one is a burnt maroonish brown color, and it's perfect for winter and fall season, and so I bought this. If you guys want a review, comment that below and I'll do it.
Today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I don't buy a lot of things from Colaba, but whatever I bought, I'm very happy with that. The reason being that I don't have time to go and shop. I basically really want to explore the city of Mumbai because it's very beautiful, and I really want to explore the city and eat good food, and I thought I would go to Mumbai yet again so I can pick more things that time. Also, I'm actually really partial towards Sarojini, so I kind of like Sarojini more than Colaba. Reason being, it's way cheaper, you can bargain easily, budget shopping. So why not? So Sarojini is kind of better than Mumbai. The reason why not go to H&M or Forever 21 was because I am from Gurgaon, so I keep on going to Gurgaon. I'm going in December. So I'll shop with all those brands in Gurgaon, and I want to just try Colaba for the first time. So I did. Whatever I bought from Colaba, I'm really happy with that. Like the choker, the necklace, and the off-shoulder tops. I'm very happy, even though they're loose. But yeah, whatever. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. We are very near 4,000 subscribers. I don't know how this is happening, but we're very near 4,000 subscribers. So subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. And I love you guys so much, and I'm gonna be seeing you in my next video. Bye!